Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is moving up as intended in the short term. We did explain it in the previous videos that there was probably a 5-wave move to the downside of the Monday high here to yesterday's lows. I explained to you that an inverse head and shoulders pattern could be forming here with a neckline defined here around 27,670. And it is now moving up. The idea was to get this corrective pullback possibly today. We talked about it in the first video today that I'm going to be watching for a move slowly towards and maybe into the resistance area in the next couple of days. We currently see that, and the inverse head and shoulders pattern also played out. So it could still go a little higher. It seems to sustain above that neckline of that head and shoulders pattern. And we seem to be moving up. It could be either a wave B of 4, which is the white wave count, which is short-term bullish, which could still then eventually give us one more high. Or, one second, just need to delete that. So which could give us one more high in the maybe 29 to 30K region. And then we have the question, okay, is this a B wave, which will break down again, or is it the wave 1? And with a 5-wave move up in the white wave count, we can actually add the support area for a corrective pullback. Yeah? At least with 5 waves up, if we see them, we can say that possibly a lasting low has been established on the 11th of September. Without the 5 waves, I can't even, we don't even need to talk about that. So the price needs to prove that to us, give us an indication. We need 5 waves up. Then we can explore, okay, will a pullback will a corrective pullback support hold or not? So we will then add that to the chart and we will take it from there. But until we have those 5 waves up, there is no need to get overly bullish because the structure of the 11th of September low to the upside is very choppy, very corrective, very correctively looking, and certainly not impulsive. Yes, it could still form a 5-wave move up, but then what I would like to see is here this ABC structure possibly to be completed in the next couple of days of a wave 4 and then move up in a wave 5. But this is, it's something I'm observing. It's not terribly reliable. The yellow wave count seems to be a little bit more reliable at the moment. And this could be just a B wave top here where the price has topped in a WXY structure. From there we could come down, right? In the yellow wave count. And for the yellow wave count, we have here this resistance area that we thought the price would get into. And it already nearly touched the 50% retracement level. So we'll see. I mean, this is a mirror count, you could say, between the white and the yellow count. So they both should move together. They will depart somewhere here after the next drop then, after we reversed in the resistance area. Of course, above 28,281. I have to change the perspective. If we get a sustained break above resistance, we're already moving up more directly in a 5th wave. But that's currently nothing I'm primarily watching for. I'm going to watch for a reaction in this region here. So in an ideal world, in the yellow wave count, we would then sell off in the coming weeks to 24 or 22K. And this 3rd wave would be a 1-2 setup as well. So the best I mean, this already is a setup for a short trade, right? For a 3rd wave down. Better probability you will get if you wait for the first 1-2 setup in this wave 3. So there will be a wave 1 off wave 3 and the wave 2 pullback. And this will be another resistance area. Sometimes it's not very clear, this 1-2. So that's just, that's sort of the risk you always you always have to deal with, basically. But yeah, I mean, at the moment it's moving up as planned. Probably, and I go to the 30-minute chart, probably we currently see here this ABC structure. And this C wave is moving a little higher. Doesn't appear to be finished yet. Could reach maybe 28K, 28,280. And yeah, wave B and wave 2 have the same structure. So you can't say at this stage what it is. What we can do is also to add the Fibonacci extensions, because they can give us a possible target for wave C. And I would be watching the 1-to-1 ratio. That's already reached, actually. So it could turn around technically from here. I mean, it doesn't need to reach resistance. This is just resistance, Fibonacci retracements. But it seems likely we will get a little higher. And then I would pay attention to the 1.618 extension level at 28,080. Good overlap here, very close to the 28,040 level, which is the 61.8 retracement. I don't think there is much more to add. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's additional content there every single day. And if you're interested in more content and maybe live streams, check out the membership. You can find the links in the description. Every Sunday we do a member live stream. There is educational content on Discord and Telegram. Plus you get access to the chat rooms. And as a gold member, you get additional short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.